Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to add a program or app in Windows Startups. So how to add it, let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all right click and go to your task manager. After opening the task manager, now go to your startup apps. Now here is a startup apps. So how to add it? In the search box type run, and after doing this stat type a command is shell colons and startup, and click OK button. Now here is a startup folder is open. Minimize it. After that, simply copy the shortcut of the file which you want to and in the startup, and I also open copy it and paste it. Now I close it. Now go to your startup menu. Now here is a newly applications is added. Now here is close it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and